Here's a classic road trip math puzzle that looks complicated but solves beautifully. Before we begin, take a moment and try this problem on your own first. All right, let's solve it together. Mia's on a long road trip, 300 miles ahead of her. The open highway gives her great mileage, about 32 miles per gallon. But once she hits the city, stop-and-go traffic drops that to just 20 miles per gallon. By the end of the journey, she's used a total of 12 gallons of gas. So the big question, how far did she drive on the highway and how much in the city? Understanding rate equals distance divided by fuel. Mileage, MPG, means miles per gallon equals distance divided by gallons. So, highway, 32 mpg, means uses 1/32 of a gallon per mile. City, 20 mpg, means uses 1/20 of a gallon per mile. This idea helps form the fuel equation. Let H equal miles driven on the highway and C equal miles driven in the city. We know two facts. Total distance, H plus C, equals 300. Total fuel used, highway uses 32 mpg, city uses 20 mpg, and total used is 12 gallons. H over 32 plus C over 20 equals 12. Substitute C equals 300 minus H into the fuel equation. H over 32 plus, parentheses, 300 minus H over 20 equals 12. Find a common denominator or multiply both sides by 160, which is the LCM of 32 and 20, and you get 5H plus 2400 minus 8H equals 1920. Combine like terms to get negative 3H plus 2400 equals 1920. Subtract 2400 from both sides to get negative 3H equals 1920 minus 2400, which is negative 480. Divide both sides by negative 3 to get H equals negative 480 divided by negative 3, which equals 160, which is miles driven on the highway. Then C equals 300 minus H, or 300 minus 160, which equals 140, and that's your city miles. Check your work, and 160 divided by 32 plus 140 divided by 20, which equals 5 plus 7, which is 12 gallons. So Mia drove 160 miles on the highway and 140 miles in the city. If this explanation made the idea clearer, you're welcome to subscribe for more helpful math videos.